Your eye has been twitching for 3 days. You think it's nothing. But your body is sending you an SOS right now, and nobody told you what it actually means.
That twitch. It's me, your eyelid nerve, misfiring 8 electrical pulses every second. Not because something is broken. Because you pushed me past my limit and never let me rest.
4 cups of me and I'm jumping on your nerves all night, even after you sleep. You think you need me to function? Honestly? I'm the reason your eye won't stop.
Most people never heard of me, but low magnesium is a hidden reason your eyelid keeps firing. I calm the nerve. I stop the misfiring. Most Americans don't get enough of me.
Your eyes work harder than any muscle you have. Lumidew gives them a steam spoot, reduces puffiness and soothes dryness, brings back that clear glow. Link in bio.